In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a variation in an A/B test email in HubSpot. If you've created an A/B test and later decided that one variation is no longer needed, maybe it underperformed, had an error, or you simply want to clean up your email list, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and clearly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't accidentally delete the wrong version. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and marketing software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. From there, click on Marketing, and then select Email. This will take you to your main email dashboard where you can see all the marketing emails you've created. Now, locate the A/B test email that contains the variation you want to delete. If the A/B test has already been completed, you'll typically see both variations listed separately in your email list. HubSpot usually labels them clearly so you can identify version A and version B. If you're not sure which one you're looking at, click into the email name to double-check the details. Make sure you confirm which variation you actually want to remove before taking any action. This is important because once an email variation is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Once you've identified the correct variation, go back to the email list view. Now, hover your mouse over the specific variation you want to delete. When you hover over it, you'll see an Actions button appear. Click on Actions, and a drop-down menu will open with several options. From this drop-down menu, click on Delete. HubSpot will then prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to delete that variation. This is your final chance to double-check that you're removing the correct version. Carefully review the confirmation message, and if you're sure, click Delete again to confirm. The variation will then be permanently removed from your email list. That's it. The A/B test variation has now been successfully deleted. Now, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, you can only delete variations that are not actively sending. If an A/B test is currently running, you may need to pause or complete the campaign before deleting a version. Second, deleting a variation does not undo performance data that has already been recorded, so make sure you've reviewed any analytics you need before removing it. If your goal is simply to clean up your dashboard after a test is complete, this method works perfectly. It keeps your email area organized and prevents confusion later when reviewing past campaigns. And just as a quick recap, go to Marketing, then Email, find your A/B test email, hover over the variation you want to remove, click Actions, then click Delete, and confirm. Simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials, email marketing tips, and software how-to guides, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.